today's video, we're going to be building the LK67 Keyboard Kit. You can find the link to this keyboard in the description. Before we start, only a small percentage of you guys are actually subscribed, so make sure to smash the subscribe button. And yes, this is my first kind of talking video, so before you go down in the comments and type, "Damn Voxil, this video sucks playing Fortnite." Okay, but for real, let me know if you like this video down below. And now onto the video. USB wireless adapter, a cord, a keycap puller, a switch puller, and the case will be provided in the box. For switches, I chose the Acco Rose Red switches. What I will be using today to mod the keyboard is Krytox 205 Grade 0, a brush, Krytox 105 oil for the springs, and a switch opener. Now for the worst bit of building a keyboard, looping the switches. Once done looping the switches, I opened up the keyboard to add some foam which was used in the packaging of the keyboard, and I cut it up into small pieces. This foam helps with the keyboard sound and makes it sound less hollow. Next was the stabilizers. I wiped away the stock lube, added some dielectric grease to the wire, and then clipped it back into the housing. I repeated this to all the stabilizers. Next was adding some band-aid to the plate to help the stabilizers fit more tight and dampen some of the sound. Once completed this to all the stabilizers positions, I moved on to putting the stabilizers back in. Once in there are a few more mods I had to perform to make this keyboard sound how I'd like. The next one would be the tape mod, where you put painter's tape on the back of the PCB. This simple mod is very effective at creating a more poppy sound and deeper sound on the keyboard. I also realized I needed to put more holes for the screws. Once I did this, I finally got to screw in the keyboard. If you guys did enjoy this video, please comment down below and comment what kind of keyboard I should build or mod next time. See you guys next time.